Hi, for today's video is how Snapchat Plus works. After WhatsApp Business and Telegram, Snapchat has launched a paid subscription service in a bid to boost revenue. Dubbed Snapchat Plus, the subscription gives user early access to new features along with exclusive access to specific features in the ephemeral messaging app. Snapchat Plus is a Snapchat's premium subscription that offers user access to a collection of exclusive, experimental, and pre-release features. In the messaging app, it comes with a bunch of perks including the option to pin a friend as BFF, an exclusive badge, story rewatch count, and more. However, it's worth noting what Snapchat Plus subscription doesn't remove ads on the platform, which is a big letdown. So here are the top exclusive features. If you go to Snapchat, then go to the profile on the left corner part, then go to Snapchat Plus. So here are the features. The chat wallpapers. Change the wallpapers in chats for both yourself and your friends. Next is number one's best friend. You can pin one friend as your number one BFF. Snapchat Plus will offer a way for you to pin a friend to the top of the chat window as your number one friend. However, it doesn't look like you have to be a BFF with the person to pin them. As we detailed in Snapchat Emojis Explainer article, those who manage to be each other's top friends for 2 consecutive weeks will get a red heart next to their name in the chat list and be known as BFF. We have also the custom app icon. Also, with the new Snapchat Plus subscription are custom icons. Going by Alessandro Spaluzzi's recent tweets, you get over 30 icons to choose from. The company could eventually add more icons for Snapchat Plus users. So, solar system, see if you are in a best friend's orbit. We have here post view emoji. Snapchat Plus subscribers will be able to set an emoji that will automatically be displayed with their friends view the snap. This means you can now have a sign-off of sorts after each snap you send. Story rewatch. See how many friends have rewatched your story. Snapchat Plus badge. As part of the Snapchat subscription, you will also get an elusive star icon next to your Snapchat profile name to indicate that you are a Snap Plus subscriber. Others will presumably see your Snapchat Plus badge when they visit your profile. Bitmoji background. Exclusive backgrounds for your Bitmoji. Priority story replies. Your replies will be more visible to Snap stars. Ghost trails. Ghost trails on Snap Maps make it possible to check the location history of friends for the past 24 hours. It's worth mentioning that ghost trails will be visible only if your friend is sharing their location with you. So that's it. I hope that this video helps, and if you have any questions or comments, kindly leave it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!